everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to making your outdoor space a masterpiece. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A garden living space with a fire pit is more than just a spot in your backyard with a metal bowl. It is an intentional extension of your home's interior, brought into the open air. It is a designated zone designed for comfort, socialization, and relaxation. Centered around the primal and mesmerizing element of fire, this concept blends landscape architecture with interior design principles, creating a room without walls where the fire pit serves as the natural focal point. Whether it's a rustic stone ring in a wooded corner or a sleek gas-powered table. On a modern patio, this space is defined by its ability to provide warmth, light, and a sense of gathering that transcends the seasons. Having a garden living space centered around a fire pit offers a multitude of lifestyle and mental health benefits. Primarily, it significantly extends the usability of your outdoor area, allowing you to enjoy your garden during chilly autumn evenings or even crisp winter nights when you would otherwise be stuck indoors. Beyond the practical warmth, a fire pit acts as a social magnet, encouraging digital detox moments where friends and family put away their phones to engage in real conversation and storytelling. The gentle flickering of flames is also scientifically shown to reduce stress and lower blood pressure, providing a meditative environment right in your own backyard. Furthermore, a well-designed fire pit area adds substantial value to your property, making your home more attractive to future buyers who view it as an extra bonus room for entertaining to make your garden living space look truly beautiful. You must focus on the balance between hardscaping and soft textures. Start by defining the floor of your space, using materials like pea gravel, flagstone, or circular pavers to create a sense of boundary. Surround the fire pit with comfortable, weather-resistant seating like Adirondack chairs for a classic look, or deep-seated outdoor sofas for a contemporary feel. To elevate the aesthetic, layer in outdoor textiles. Think plush throw pillows in vibrant colors and chunky knit blankets draped over chairs to invite people to linger. Don't forget the vertical elements, adding potted plants of varying heights. String lights overhead or even a low stone wall can help enclose the space and make it feel like a private sanctuary. The key is to mirror the colors found in your natural surroundings while adding small pops of personality through decor accents. The best items for a garden living space with a fire pit prioritize both durability and ambience. Naturally, the fire pit itself is the star. You can choose between wood-burning pits for that authentic crackle and scent, or propane models for smokeless convenience. High-quality seating is a must-look for materials like teak, polylumber, or wrought iron that can withstand the elements. For lighting, solar-powered path lights or Edison-style string lights are essential to create a magical glow once the sun goes down. To make the space functional for entertaining, consider adding a weatherproof side table for drinks and a stylish wood rack to keep your fuel organized. Final touches like a large outdoor rug to anchor the furniture and a high-quality fire pit cover will ensure your investment stays looking brand new for years to come. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here the collection of the top 10 best garden living space with fire pit ideas to spark your creativity. 1. The Circular Stone Sanctuary. This design features a beautifully crafted circular stone fire pit that serves as the heart of a paver patio. The surrounding low stone wall not only defines the space but provides extra seating, while the classic wooden chairs and vibrant pattern accent pillows create a perfect balance of rustic charm and modern comfort. 2. The Lakeside Torchlight Retreat. Set against a stunning backdrop of water and lush greenery, this fire pit area uses large, rugged boulders to create a naturalistic sunken feel. The addition of tall tiki torches provides extra height and a dramatic flickering glow that complements the central stone fire pit, making it a dream spot for evening relaxation. 3. Vibrant multi-bench gravel circle. Simplicity meets pops of color. In this stylish setup, using a low-profile dark metal fire bowl on a bed of fine pea gravel, this space utilizes curved wooden benches to maximize seating capacity. The use of bright purple, teal, and red pillows adds a playful, modern energy to the earthy garden setting. 4. The Sunburst Garden Path Lounge. This overhead view showcases a brilliant geometric layout where light-colored gravel paths radiate out like a sunburst from a central stone fire pit. Nestled between manicured garden beds filled with colorful blooms, the 4 chairs face each other perfectly, with overhead string lights creating an intimate conversation zone. 5. The modern Adobe sunken lounge. For a high-end architectural look, this smooth plastered circular bench offers a permanent and sophisticated seating solution. The central metal fire basket sits on a bed of dark river stones, while the surrounding stone walls and high textures create a private, fortress-like atmosphere that is incredibly cozy. 6. Wildflower perimeter seating. This design emphasizes the garden in garden living space. The fire pit is tucked into a lush perimeter of coneflowers and aromatic herbs, which act as a living fence. The weathered wood chairs blend seamlessly into the landscape, making the fire pit feel like a natural discovery in a secret garden. 7. The forest edge stone terrace. Tucked into the slope of a wooded backyard, this space uses heavy flagstone and massive rock steps to create a tiered terrace. The stone fire pit is built into the ground, surrounded by a comfortable, cushioned sofa and strategically placed outdoor lanterns that guide the way through the trees. 8. The beachfront backyard oasis. Who says you need a beach for white sand? This creative design uses a wooden frame filled with soft white sand to house a rusted steel fire bowl. The built-in L-shaped wooden bench with nautical blue cushions and white lanterns creates a vacation-at-home vibe that is perfect for summer. 9. The minimalist courtyard reflection. This ultra-modern design features a sunken seating area integrated directly into a concrete patio. Two long, white minimalist sofas face a sleek rectangular fire table, surrounded by clean lines, manicured lawn strips, and a dramatic tree focal point, proving that fire pits can be the height of luxury. 10. The midnight slat wall lounge. This design uses a striking black horizontal slat fence to create a sophisticated, moody backdrop. The massive, dark stone-textured fire bowl sits on a cream-colored porcelain patio, contrasted by elegant white rope weave armchairs and warm-up lighting that makes the entire space glow with high-end elegance. Building a garden living space with a fire pit is one of the best investments you can make for your home and your well-being. It transforms a simple backyard into a destination, a place where memories are made, stories are told, and the stresses of the day melt away into the embers. Whether you prefer the rugged look of natural stone or the clean lines of modern minimalism, there is a fire pit design that can fit your style and your budget. If you enjoyed these 10 fire pit inspirations, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Garden Decor Designs so you never miss our weekly tips on transforming your outdoor spaces. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. You a fan of the beachfront, oasis, or the modern Adobe look? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.